I just would like to tell you good morning. I am really impressed that in such a big crowd of the people, you come on your day off to support the community. So it's really very impressive. A big thank you to all of you who are contributing because, as you know, one of our value is one for another. Thank you very much. Enjoy the day. Learn something new. I think you have also lots of new learnings and have fun. Thank you.
We started this initiative from last year, so we wanted to have at least one event every year where we can bring all our families, employees and their families together for some meaningful act to our community. So we started small last time. I think the number of participants have increased consistently from last year to this year. That shows the event is being liked by a lot of people, so that is great to see. I hope today is a well-spent day for all of you, a well-spent morning for all of you to learn something new, to also change our way of living in a small bit, in a positive way that creates contribution towards conserving this environment. ขอบคุณครับ
ก็ได้มาปลูกปะการังแล้วก็มีพี่น้องชาวช็อปฟอร์ของเราชวนครอบครัวมาปลูกปะการังด้วยแล้วก็ให้ความร่วมมือเป็นอย่างดีครับซึ่งปีที่ผ่านมาเราได้ทำการไปปล่อยเต่าครับพอมาปีนี้เรามาทำการปลูกปะการังซึ่งเป็นครั้งแรกของผมเหมือนกันตื่นเต้นดีครับแล้วก็มีความสุขแล้วก็ถ้ามีโอกาสในครั้งหน้าผมไม่พลาดแน่นอนครับ
It's a very good experience for me to join this activity. It's also the first time for me to join the county just a family activity. It's very exciting. So I'm very happy to be here.
So today we went out of the sea and then we put some corals into the water. So it was very nice that we could combine our passion of diving and also together with this event. I like that very much.
ขอบคุณ Continental สำหรับกิจกรรมดีๆแบบนี้ด้วยครับ
Thank you very much.